In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create discount pop-up in Mailchimp in 26. By the end, you'll have a polished on-brand pop-up that promotes your offer and captures new subscribers with ease. Start by signing in to your Mailchimp account and head to the Forms section. You'll find it in the left-hand navigation panel. This is where Mailchimp keeps all the tools for building sign-up forms and pop-ups, so it's the perfect place to create our discount offer. Once you're on the forms page, look toward the top right corner of the screen. Click the option to create a new pop-up form. When the pop-up builder opens, choose the discount option. This template category is designed to spotlight an offer front and center, which helps boost conversions. After selecting it, click Continue to move forward. You'll now see a gallery of templates. Take a moment to browse them. Look for a layout that suits your brand style, the length of your message, and the type of image or background you prefer. When you found one you like, select it and double-click to open it. Then click Create Form to launch the editor. With the editor open, you can start customizing. Begin with the headline and body text. Make your discount crystal clear. Say exactly what customers get and what they need to do. Keep the copy concise and action-oriented, like, get 15% off your first order, join our list today. Consider adding a short note about any basic conditions, but avoid cluttering the pop-up with long text. Next, adjust your text color. Choose a color that aligns with your brand, but also keeps readability high. Strong contrast between text and background is key for accessibility and mobile legibility. Then update the background. You can use a solid color, gradient, or an image. If you pick an image, make sure it doesn't compete with your text. A subtle overlay can help keep the content easy to read. When you're happy with the content and styling, open the preview. Use this to check how the pop-up looks on desktop and mobile. Scan for typos, verify contrast, and make sure the call to action button stands out. Imagine the user's flow. Can they quickly understand the offer and submit the form without friction? If everything looks good, click Save and Review. This saves your work and takes you to a summary where you can double-check your choices before publishing. That's it. You've created a discount pop-up in Mailchimp that's clear, on-brand, and conversion-ready. Thanks for watching, and happy building!